Hey guys, tonight was night one of, or class one of the Master Gardening class. We met with the manager that runs the program, and he basically laid out the ground rules and stuff for us, what this was going to entail, the activities and stuff we were going to be doing. So January 17th is the soil, botany, and plant proposition, prep, all kinds of stuff. Donnie Moon and Jay Stevens is doing it. January 22nd, it's Home and Fruit Nuts by Mark Wilson. January 28th is the Container Gardening by Dr. Kiki Fontenot. February 5th is Vegetable and Herb Gardening from Gary Stockton. February 12th is Soil Plant Pathology by Dr. Patrick Collier. February 19th is Ornamentals by Mark Wilson. February 26th is Entomology by Bentley Fitzpatrick. March 5th is Organic Gardening from Chuck Gifford. March 12th is Home Tree Care by Donnie Moon. And these people are all gardeners, advanced master gardeners, and state horticulturists. So when you get in this program, it's kind of like a club. You have to volunteer so many hours every year. You have to have so many continuing education every year. You have to never stop trying to get better at what you do and learning about what you do. This entails the internal makeup of plants, how plants respond to different things, different types of soil, how you test soil, the different types of chemicals and stuff they use, why you should or shouldn't use chemicals. And this whole entire process is pretty in-depth about just the whole entire process of organic gardening, mass-produced gardening, home farm gardening, small business gardening, stuff like that. And then you have to actually go out and apply your skills and actually teach people, seminars, help your neighbors, go to your local farm, farmers markets and stuff, teach people about how grafting plants and stuff of that nature, and just have a general basis and general knowledge of what's going on in general. And with me teaming that up with food, they go hand in hand. Now I can teach people about the nutrition side of things as well as what's in the plant, how it's grown, what exactly it means when these types of chemicals and stuff are used. It's a whole, and it came just at the right time too, because now when I do my speaking seminar February 2nd, I can teach people about what I'm learning in school as well, and that counts towards your volunteering hours, that counts towards your continuing education hours. And by the time you're done with this, it's supposed to be like a 40-hour class, but it ends up being, I guess, total time overall, because of the level of gardener that you are when it's done. It would be more or less. We have to find out how the classes go, but then the continuing education part is where it gets you. They want you to go out, they want you to apply this to everything. They want you constantly going online and updating the different types of things that you do. They want you going online and updating all the information and stuff that you get. Like this weekend I spoke at a seminar in Alexandria, Louisiana, and I spoke about oxalates and nightshade vegetables. This next Sunday I went to the farmers market and I taught how to graft certain plants, or how to take care of pear, or how this chemical affects your body when used on plants, or how this plant needs this type of chemical or else it won't be able to survive in certain climates. So we have to genetically modify this plant or else it's not survivable in that climate, things of that nature. So I'm bringing a whole new level of education to the table, and being able to pair that in with nutrition is just phenomenal. So look forward to that, guys, and that's coming soon. I hope to be able to share that knowledge with you guys, bring some more education to the table, and be a more beneficial networker, mentor, person that you come to. I appreciate you all. Thank you, and God bless.